How to join expired Telegram link. So if you want to join expired Telegram link, then what you need to do is there are a few steps. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your app is up to date. Because if you're using an outdated version of the Telegram app, you might not be able to join groups. To fix this problem, update your Telegram application. To update it, you can go with the Play Store or App Store if you're using your iPhone, and then go with search, and you need to search as Telegram. Once you search, you may have any updates right here, so you just need to simply go with update and update your Telegram application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. Second option is clear the Instagram cache. If you're joining a Telegram group for the first time and getting an error message, it might be due to the glitch in the app. In such cases, clearing the Telegram cache often resolves the issue. So to do that, first grab your Android device and then launch the Telegram application. Tap on the menu icon, which is here on the upper left, which is the 3 horizontal lines. Go with settings. Once you're on the settings, you need to go with data and storage, and then you need to go with storage used. And here you need to go with clear cache and tap on clear cache again. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, the next thing you do is check if you are banned by the admin. It is possible that you might have been banned by the group administrator of the Telegram messaging app. In such a case, you will get the error message while joining a group. To check if you're banned or have any restrictions on your account, first launch your Telegram application on your device, and then you can go with the search icon, which will be on the upper right. Once you tap on the search icon, now type the spam bot in the search bar and tap on the spam bot info. Now you just need to simply go with start, and here you will have the information like if there are any restrictions on your account, this spam bot will let you know. But even if this is okay and if you don't have any problem in the spam, then ask the admin to add you again. If the Telegram group is private or secret, you will experience an issue while joining unless you have been invited by the group administrator. Ask the group admin to add you manually. However, if the admin is trying to add you but the problem persists, first turn on your device, open the Telegram app, and tap on the 3 horizontal lines, which is on the upper left. Now tap on the privacy and settings. Under the privacy header and under your privacy and security, you just need to simply go with an option which is groups and channels. And you will have a question, who can add me to the group chat? You just need to simply choose everybody. Once you choose everybody, then the problem will be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.